Hello everyone! This short video will show you how to use a route you have created in reverse mode in more detail. This feature is used anytime you would like to do a route in reverse, for example, returning from cruise to arrive back at the departure point. I have created a route called sailors.This that I can find in the Itinerary tab.
Itinerary tab 2 of 5.
I have to select the route.
Route enabled sailors.This dim button. Cancel button.
Then I'm on the Edit the Route tab. By scrolling down the page with VoiceOver, a vocalized button called Reverse will appear.
Edit the route heading. OK button. Name sailors.This. Add a waypoint button. Add a mark button. Reverse switch button off. Double tap to toggle setting.
I double tap it to enable the feature.
Reverse switch button off. On.
If I look at my list of waypoints, I can see that the last point has become the first, the second last has become the second, and so forth. There is something important to know regarding marks. Remember that a mark must be left either to the port side or the starboard side. When we follow the route in reverse mode, this side is automatically switched over for each mark. For example, a mark that was supposed to be at the port side on the normal route is now at the starboard side on the reverse route. Also, be aware that you cannot add a mark to a route in reverse mode. If you would like to do so, add a mark to the route in normal mode first and then go back to the reverse mode. Note that on the navigation screen, VoiceOver will notify you that you are navigating on a reverse route.
OK button. OK.
Distance approach C71
Itinerary
nautical
navigation
mile 8.
tab. Select a route sailors.This reversed enabled button.
In an upcoming video, we will explore an essential feature of Sara Navigation, setting up automatic voice announcements.